Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Long kakot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
Ka Frank Yamaha ka balong ka silam di tuk arsyaka ka badan hanong tama nong silyang silong ha ka khanriu terik ujemang arajar arpsan kala palat padba ya ka Yamaha FZS Hybrid ka baningkong hari India ya kani ka tuk Yamaha FZS Hybrid la palat padba hi do customer uba banri lingdo ha ka bala sakilang da kinong tray ka Frank Yamaha bat kinong syakot sobha ba pintip syapang ki jenan bat ban test ride dia ka tuk Yamaha FZS Hybrid pila ban led hi siya ka showroom jong ka Frank Yamaha ha kisingi po ya.
Among this deal to launch this new hybrid Yamaha bike, I have started my love or my life with two-wheelers. I started in the year of 1999, but then that time I was riding a scooter, and by the year of 2008, my journey with Yamaha started in 2008 when I bought the FZ16, and it was a first launch bike of the new model which we have engaged. But then I did find some problem during that time because it's newly launched. Then later on, with time, I came to test a new Yamaha which was launched in 2017. That is FZ25. The moment which I test drive that bike, I fell in love with the bike, and moreover, like the shape of the bike was so good, which when you park the bike and when you see from the side, it looks like a panther which is bending down. That was one most captivative thing which I see in the Yamaha FZ25, and that was when I decided, by any means, I'll have to get this Yamaha 25. So right from that time, I bought, and then I had a journey till this time, and I still enjoy. I enjoy the torque, which is quite good, and it seems like I don't want to part away with the bike which I'm using now. I had a good experience with Yamaha, with the servicing, and with one most good thing is like I got engaged with Blue Streak, and the moment which I got engaged with them, I got a friendship among all the riders of Blue Streak, where we went for rides mostly every month. And then there was one fascinating thing which I liked most, which we used to go for charity ride. Yamaha is not about people, I mean like getting things from people, but I see one thing, it's the giving side also which they have. So when we go for charity ride, we normally used to go to orphanage, and there it's from the company, and where we give. That's the giving part, where we give to them all the gifts, the snacks, chocolates, chips, just to see the faces of those who are without any more of their parents in their life, living in an orphanage, and to see the joy which they enjoy of our presence, which we go during those rides. That is one thing which gives, I mean, like a grateful heart for us when we think that we who still have our own parents with us and seeing those kids who have none of their parents anymore with them, it hurts us. And to see them they enjoy when we go for those charity rides, that is one good thing. So from my side, Yamaha has been like I can see it's a family thing from my end, and which I am very much willing from my side to continue this relationship with Yamaha, and I encourage everyone to be engaged along with Yamaha, and I encourage also to be members of the Blue Streak. You'll have a lot of fun, a lot of, and I think recently we are going to go for even the racetrack drive also, day after tomorrow. Unfortunately, I have my son who's returning back. I won't be able to join them, but it's one good opportunity to join along with them. Anyway, these few words, I will thank and encourage you to be a family with Yamaha, and also I think with the launching of this new hybrid, it will bring much more, many more friends and family to the family of Yamaha. Thank you so much.